Let's fix can't collaborate on Instagram. Let's say you're posting a post or any of the reel in that you can't collaborate. So all you can do is that you can go to the Play Store. That means it is the new update of Instagram. So you can update your Instagram. Tap on Instagram. If it shows you update, make sure you update the app. Or otherwise, if it shows you open, then you can open your app and still you can't get that. All you can do is that you can search for Instagram down. So Instagram down detector, sometimes some certain things can't be fixed on Instagram if Instagram is currently down or for 24 hours in the last. So you can check for 24 hours outages report for Instagram. So still if you can't find that, all you can do is that you can go to Instagram, tap on the little profile, tap on three lines. There, if you scroll down, you can find data usage and media quality. There, you need to offload your data saver toggle. So, if you toggle off this, then in sometimes data saver mode, you can't collaborate or you can't post with tagging people or collaborating. So, you need to toggle off this. This is how you can fix can't collaborate on Instagram. Thank you.